ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be repairing our plastic panel fence. Here's these wood screws. They're Paul Ram. They're made specifically for PVC polycarbonate. It's going to work perfect on our fence. And we also have these little angle brackets. I believe they're about $4 for 10, and the screws were $6 for 50. Before we do the repairs, I wanted to show you the one I've already fixed previously. This huge windstorm just knocked this one down, this panel down, as well as this one. You can see I've done some little repairs. Yeah, white duct tape because nobody's gonna notice. Okay, let's go around to the other side here. You can see the repairs here. Simple little bracket here, and I bought these. I don't recall what these are here. Little fence brackets. Just make it stronger here on this angle. See, the weak point is this. These little plastic hangers. We're gonna go over here, see all the repairs, give you some ideas for yourself. Doubled it up over here. More tape. Okay, now let's get down to the areas repaired here. Let's see. Okay, now this panel was knocked down. So this one was fairly simple. As you can see, it's the hangers that are the weak point. So you just rip them off. Now here's a piece somehow got caught. But this actually goes up here. Okay. Okay, now this piece also we just repaired. That's why it's so dirty. See, still got weeds here because it was laying in the grass for so long. But the important part is we got it up. Doesn't need to look pretty because, I mean, who the hell is going to see it, really, right? So, cosmetics, not a big deal. And then this one right here, neighbor's tree crashed down into my fence here. And this one, they're going to take care of it. So it's not a big deal. But hopefully this gives you a good idea of how to fix it up yourself on the cheap. The important part here is to get these Paul Ram screws. These are specifically for plastic. Well, actually, it's the application of plastic to wood, but it works perfect here. And these little brackets here. So hopefully this helps you out. I would have filmed the whole thing, but as you can see, got a broken arm. I had a helper when it's hard enough, just like that. I have many other helpful videos around the house. Please be sure to go give them a look.